Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Kejela, Conrad Kongkal Sangma hakar penyutrik Urisa Arjar Puar, ringkat kejinya senran langjo Menteri Ketenat General Administration Department, uba asngau bhalang dhar, Chief Secretary uba Donald P. Walang berkiwe-kiwe de ki he officer. Kejela kila ilaj bani Sorjamin ya ka Jaka Mawdiangdiang nak benta bantai, ya ka Secretariat ke Bathamai bat ya kiwe-kiwe de ki tenat rekam jong sarkar. Hakaji keren bat kilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ulai tu baka Jaka bantai ya ka office bat ya ka Secretariat Bathamai on sara ya tai shua hakaji lang jong ka kenhun menteri bat hakaju ka poru ulai tu baka ni ka Jaka bala thumu bantai ya ka ni ka office bakong san jong ka jela dan pensukru ya ki pai ba nong jong shinong jong ka nong ba shilong hakaba on sa shinai ka sorok ka babha bat ka bakuloi. Hakini ke juga si Menteri Rangba ulali juri pru ya ke Shillong International Center of Performing Arts and Culture ke Balashna Itanat Bha ha New Shillong Township.
And the land that we're talking about the other side of IIT is that one. That one. Okay. That is the one that we've given for the social justice. That was what it is? It was the IIT. IIM. That is IIM. It's all IIM. Great, no? We have come here to visit in this Mawdiangdiang area, this Mawpat area and Mawpasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Mawpadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now, and we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments, so some rearrangement will have to be done, and we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administration can also go to the Mawpadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we're in a planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision.
Let's stick back with. Yeah. Oh yeah. The right zone. We didn't know that it's Shillong. Yeah. Austria. Let's stick back with. Yeah. Oh yeah. The right zone. didn't feel that.
Ini